How to connect to your PC or Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable and without adapter using phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video you will see how we can connect your PC to Wi-Fi without any Ethernet cable and any adapter using your phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable using your smartphone as a Wi-Fi hotspot through USB Tethering. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. After that, go to settings in your device. Now look for network and internet and tap on it. Scroll down a bit and then tap on hotspot and tethering. And once you have connected your PC using a USB cable, you will be able to turn this USB tethering. So enable USB tethering. After enabling USB tethering, your PC should recognize the phone as a network device. Windows would automatically install the necessary drivers. After installation, your PC should automatically connect to internet via your phone's connection. After that, check your network settings on your PC to confirm the connection, and now you should be able to access the internet. And that's how you can connect to PC to a Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable and without adapter using phone. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.